Hey, let's talk about a couple of features dealing with blocking specific keys or keyboard combinations that you may want to have access to on your terminal so that people don't try to get outside the environment that they're in. First, what you want to do is open up an existing terminal or create a new one. In this case, I'm going to open up what I have already, and I'm going to double click it to open up the terminal configuration wizard. I'm going to step all the way through until we get to the modules. And once I've got to the modules here, you'll notice I've got a few already selected, but I'm going to go ahead and add the one for the key block. So I go to keyboard area, I'm going to click on the key block module, click OK, and then I'm going to select it so that I can get to where I can actually configure it. And you'll notice we have a number of key blocks that are already available for you if you want to turn them on or turn them off. If you select the key block module by default, Control-Alt-Delete and Control-Escape and the Windows key are all blocked by default. Whereas the control key is not. Alt F4, Alt F, and then the Alt Tab and the menu key, those are not blocked. But you can change those if you want to, and it's a simple thing to do. If I come over here to this one and highlight it, I can simply come down and select yes or no, either way. The other thing that's very useful in this area is the key block single key module. And I'm going to remove this one right now so that we can go to it. I'm going to remove that and then add. Go back to my keys and go to key block single key module. I'm going to add it, and once I open it up and look at the configuration for it, you'll notice that we have a modifier and we have the key to block. So it's the Control A, we could block a number of different things like that. Now that basically traps a specific individual keystroke and prevents them from being sent to the terminal server for processing. So once again, there's either the key block module that takes some standard ones like Control-Alt-Delete or Alt-Escape, those kind of things, and blocks those. Or if there's specific ones you need to block and you want to make sure that aren't accessed, we can do that here simply by modifying either one of these in the Properties menu.
For more tips and gems, please visit ThinManager.com.